Face the mirror or break the cycle. You can't build a life on a lie. Emotional, direct, ritualized. Stand up. Look in the mirror. Don't blink. Don't flinch. This is the face of every choice you made this week, every truth you avoided, every shortcut you took, every discipline you honored or betrayed. You can't lie to this man because this man is the sum total of everything you've accepted. And this week, inside OLP 365, we called you out on 3 of your deepest failures and handed you the sword to fix them. Let's go back, not to punish you, but to hold you to war standard accountability. First, self-image, rewriting the way you see yourself. This week we broke the mirror. We told you the truth. You've been living with an image of yourself that someone else gave you. A label, a scar, a lie that you locked in so long ago you think it's your own reflection. We shattered that lie. We gave you the ritual. Burn the old image, create the new, speak it aloud. New identity, equal sign, new trajectory. If you didn't do the ritual, then you're still trapped. You're still letting the 8-year-old version of you run your 34-year-old life. That ends now. Action steps for self-image. Look in the mirror every morning. Say your new identity out loud. Burn or shred any old photo, document, or note that locks in your past identity. Replace all phone lock screens, usernames, and social bios with your future self-name, title, or purpose. Write your new self-image every day for 7 days in your journal. I am the man who... Second, goal setting. You don't set goals, you lie to yourself. You've set goals before, but this week we exposed the truth. You set goals to feel good, not to win. You don't track them. You don't commit to ritual. You break them before sunrise. We burned that lie, too. We handed you the compass ritual, 1 goal per path, 1 daily action, 1 weekly reset. That's it. If you didn't build your 12-goal compass this week, you're not in the game. You're in the fantasy. Action steps for goal setting. Create 1 real goal for each of the 12 compass paths. Choose 1 non-negotiable action you'll perform daily for each active goal. Post your 3 active goals on your wall, mirror, or phone wallpaper. Every Sunday, review wins, losses, and renew the ritual. Third, health. Self-care is survival, not luxury. You think health is a gym, a smoothie, a New Year's resolution. Wrong. This week we showed you what health really is. It's war prep. It's identity control. It's the discipline of caring for the machine that builds your future. You don't skip meals, water, or sleep when you're rebuilding a kingdom. And if you do, you're not a builder, you're a burnout. Action steps for health, daily ritual, wake, hydrate, walk, fuel, move your body. Evening ritual, stretch, unplug, light a candle, write 1 victory of the day, eat 3 warrior meals, track water, train 20 minutes minimum. Every action is logged. Every decision is a vote for the man. Final challenge, become the builder. You are not your past, you are not your pain, you are what you build this week, not what you think, not what you promise, what you build. So here's your 7-day mirror challenge. The 7-day mirror ritual. Wake up, face the mirror, say, I am the man who builds the life I deserve. Choose 3 path rituals to honor daily. Self-image, write new identity and journal. Goal setting, perform your top daily action. Health, move for 20 mins minimum. End every night with 3 wins logged, 1 failure confessed, 1 fix written down. Sunday, post a comment under the next mirror wrap-up. I built it. You can either scroll back into fantasy or step forward into the Legion. Join the centurions who do the work. Drop a comment. I built it. We're not here to inspire. We're here to rebuild. 1 sword, 1 shield, 1 man at a time. Let's go.